Hello friends, today we are going to solve a problem based on isometric view of a slot which is on a non-isometric plane. In earlier video we have solved a question where slot was on a isometric plane, but here you can see this cut, or you can say the slot is on the non-isometric plane, means the plane which is made up of lines which are not isometric or non-isometric lines. So let's start with the problem. Now in this question they have given you front view, top view and RHS view of an object, and we have to draw isometric view showing overall dimensions. So let's start with the first positioning the views. This is a front view and this is a RHS view, and front view is on the left of the origin, so front view must be here, and RHS view will automatically come over here, and this plane is for the top view. So these are the positioning of the views as per the given question. So let's start with the calculating the required minimum 3 dimensions. If I start with the front view, then the base is nothing but 70. It is directly given over here, and height is 65. So this becomes 70 and height becomes 65. So same height will be useful for the RHSV, that is 65. Now base of the RHSV is not directly given to you, but as we have learned in the orthographic projections, this vertical dimensions of the top view becomes base of the side view, so that is 60 mm. So your RHS view becomes 65 in a height and 60 in the base. Here you can see the all dimensions are shown with the perfect positioning of the all the views as per the given in the question. So front view is of 75 by 65 and RHS view is 60 by 65. So let's start with the drawing a basic shape of the object. If you go through these 3 views, the side view is very much easy to draw and it gives you a base shape of an object. Considering this base shape, the outline here you can see, so this is a 60, so darken this, so here it is, you can say 60 complete line is darkened, then 65 is also darkened, complete darken. Now from origin 25 mm up, so here you can see the line 25 mm up, and now from this point you have to draw a line in such a way that it will connect this highest point. So this shape is now completed on the RHSV plane. So now project this up to the last surface to get the base shape of the object. So here you can see this is the base shape. Here we have projected all the possible points which are visible to you. So this one, then this one and this one, and same shape is created at the end. Now we will proceed with the slot or the cut which is appearing on the slant surface when you see from the top as well as when you see from the front. So in the top you can see from this edge when you see from the top, this edge is nothing but this one. Okay, so when you see from the top, this is the point we are talking about, this one, this point is nothing but this one. So from here it is at 40 mm. So from here I'll first plot 40 mm as a point, then I'll come downwards, vertically downwards. This must be parallel with one of the vertical line. It intersect with that slant edge. So you'll get the intersection point, and through this point you have to draw a line in such a way that it will be parallel with either this one or this one. So you'll get the starting line for the slot, nothing but this one when you see from the front, or in the top view this one, that 40 mm line. So it must be over here. Now if you go through this figure, the total length is 70 and this slot is 40, which is at the center of the object. So remaining distance is 30, so 15 over here and 15 over here. So accordingly we have to plot these 2 points. So I'll start from here, first 15 I'll plot first point, then 40 you will get the second point. I repeat here, just go through the figure, total distance is 70, this is 40 at the center, so remaining is 30, so 15 over here and 15 over here. So from here we have to come 15, then 40 to get the second point. So from here 15 and second is the 40 point. We will plot these 2 points which are 20 mm apart and at the center of the object. So if this is a 20, total length is 70, so 50 is remaining. So 25 over here and 25 over here. It means we have to start from here 25 and then 20. So here you can see from this point 25 here, and then from this point 20 you will get another point. So these are the 2 required points. Now we will draw these 2 inclined lines by joining this point with this one and this point with this one. It means we have to join this point with this and this point with this one. So here you can see these 2 points are joined with the straight line. Now we'll go for the depth of this. So depth is not clearly mentioned over here, but you can measure it from here. See, this point is lying on this line. So from this point to the base we need to measure the length. But before that we will finish this easier part of the cut, which is visible from the front. This one, these two lines, this one is a very easy part. So first complete this one. From here one line and from here one line. You can see here these two lines appearing here, front view. Now we'll come to the depth of this, because one line from this corner is visible to you. The line from here is not visible to you, but up to what length we have to project it. So it will be calculated using this line. So I'll just project this over here, slant edge, and then I'll project it up to the base. So I'll get the height. So this is 52 mm. It means from this point, the total height up to the base is 52 mm. So from here I have to draw a vertical line of 52 mm. So it ends over here. Then I'll join this point and this one. So I'll get this surface. And we have to draw a line over here to show this surface. So this one, and this line is parallel to this one. So this is your final drawing showing the slot on the slant surface. So this is the problem which is based on the slot or the cut portion which is on a non-isometric plane. I hope the idea is clear to you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.